Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. So students, today we are going to do the exercises of chapter number 8, that is things around us. So before starting these exercises, let's have a quick overview on this chapter. So students, in this chapter you learn about natural things, man-made things and different types of materials. Things such as air, water, plants, animals, rocks and soils which are found in nature and are not made by man are called natural things. Some other examples of natural things are sand, insect, birds, etc. Natural things can be either living things or non-living things. Natural things such as rocks, sand, water, soil, etc. are also natural things, but they do not have life on them. Thus, these are called non-living things. And things such as plants and animals are called living things because they can grow, breathe and reproduce. Man-made things. Things such as books, tables, toys, clocks, which are made by human, are called man-made things. Man-made things are usually made of different materials. We get these materials from both living and non-living things. Living things eat food, breathe, grow and reproduce. The example of living things are birds, plants, animals, humans. Non-living things are rocks, water, air, sand, clock and pencil. They do not need food, breathe, grow or reproduce. All living things are natural things. A bird is a living as well as a natural things. Non-living things can be either natural or man-made things. Different types of materials. Man-made things are usually made from different materials. We get these materials from both living and non-living things. Example, wood is used to make objects such as table, chair and pencil. The second example is rubber. It is used to make objects such as balloons, tires, gloves and erasers. Metals are used to make objects such as utensils, ornaments, cars and machines. The last example is plastic. It is used to make objects such as bottles, buckets, mugs and combs. Now students, let's come to the exercises. Let's understand question number A. Fill in the blanks with correct words. All living things are blank. So students, here two examples are given in each filling the blanks. So you have to choose the correct word and write in the given blank. So the first one is all living things are blank. So here you have to write natural because you know very well all living things are natural because they breathe, grow and reproduce. The second one is blank things can be either natural or man-made. So students, here you have to write non-living. Non-living things can be either natural or man-made. Now look at the third one. Blank are used to make objects such as ornaments and machines. So here our answer is metals. Metals are used to make objects such as ornaments and machines. Now let's come to the fourth one. Blank is used to make objects such as bottles and buckets. So here our answer is plastic. You have to write plastic in the given blank. Now let's come to the fifth one. Cotton, silk and wool are blank materials. So here our answer is natural because we get cotton from cotton plant, silk from silkworm, wool from sheep, and these all are living. These all are natural things. So here you have to write natural in the given blank. Now let's come to the question number B. Give two examples for the following. The first one is natural and living things. So the example of natural and living things are plants, animals. You have to write two examples of natural and living things in the given blank, like plants, animals. The next one is natural and non-living things. So the example of natural and non-living things are rock, water. Rock and water are natural and non-living things. Now let's come to the third one. Man-made things. So students, you know very well things which are made by human are called man-made things. So here you have to write two examples of man-made things like table, chair. Now let's come to the fourth one. Things made of wood. You have to write two things that is made of wood like pencil, desk. Now let's come to the last. Things made of rubber. So balloons and tires are made up of rubber. So you have to write balloons and tire in the given blank. Let's come to the question number C. Name the following things found in nature are called natural things. So you have to write natural things in the given space. Now let's come to the second one. Things made by man not found in nature. So student, as you know that things made by man and which is not found in nature, are called man-made things. So you have to write here man-made things. Now let's come to the third one. Natural things that grow and multiply on their own. So students, these are called living things. You have to write living things. Now let's come to the fourth one. Things that do not have life in them. So students, you know very well, non-living things do not have life in them. So here you have to write non-living things in the given blank. I hope you understand the exercises by this video. You have to write question number A, B and C in your fair copy, and you have to learn also. So students, do practice all the work at your home. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.